Hey everybody, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I'm actually trying to figure something out, and I don't know the best way to do it. So I'm trying to create a belt for a project I made, and I got this long piece of leather, and it's not going to be a particularly thick belt, probably only yay big. I don't know how long it is, or how thick it is. I'd guess maybe an inch-ish. Um, and I have this exceptionally long piece of leather. It's the longest stuff I got, but this ends off, um, and so I can't like it just kind of stops, and so I can't just like go really far. But I do have this nice big thick slab of leather, and I think it came off a shoulder. But it's been like it's like a repurposed leather. So like I bought it really cheap at like a craft store. I think it was like maybe $5 or something. You get like a bag full of this stuff. Um, but I'm trying to figure out the best way to like make a belt and like make this continue into a strip. I tried slitting a piece of leather, like straight up and like straight down, and where it came to a point and like rounding off the edge. And when I tried physically expanding it, and it wasn't moving dry, and so I got wet, and then I just pulled on it too hard, and I just ripped it apart. Um, and so clearly, I don't think that's gonna be my best bet, because you can see it just rips. It's like the exact same leather. And I just can't figure out the best way to do it. I'm thinking maybe try and do like a slow, gradual curve, like when it comes up, like round it over. But I'm still not sure if it's gonna end up straight. So any of you leatherworking guys that know a bunch about this, I'm fairly new at leatherworking. Like I've made a few sheaths and whatnot. Uh, no examples currently standing. Actually, I got one right over here. But like I can make sheaths and stuff like this. Like I've gotten pretty decent at making sheaths, and this is just a belt sheath, and it just sits right through your belt. But I need to make a belt, and I don't have anywhere near as long. This is the longest stuff I got, um, and like the other stuff is just like thick pads like this, and I can make sheaths out of it. But if anyone has a trick to this or knows the best way to go about it, please let me know. Feel free to give me an email. I got the email in the description down below. It's Hannemann Ironworks at gmail.com. Reach out to me through Facebook Messenger. If you got Instagram, hit me up on Instagram. Like anything, like or down in the comments down below. Anything would help. I really want to make this, and don't want to go try and find a long piece of leather. So if you got any help, please let me know. Again, contact me any way possible. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one.